Asked me all at work. Are you looking forward to getting back to school?
Aye, can't wait to go back and see my pals.
Do you have any money for dinner?
Aye, that's alright for there, I've still got plenty.
I get paid next week so I can give you more then.
Aye, alright, catch you later.
See you later.
Checkmate is skinny.
How are we?
What's your pitsy hanging minker?
Where'd you get your trainer's pay? Pinman.
Shop with our face off to the knee.
My name's Dougie, you mink.
Very good idea about it.
Leave me alone.
Shut your hole.
When was the last time you had a wash?
What are you needing?
I'm sorry about me pals.
But why even pals with them?
They're just all pals, they've changed over the years.
I'm first gonna.
Dinna put off telling somebody.
Oh, Dougie, later. Can I have a quick word with you in my office, please?
Aye.
Dougie. Sorry, Douglas. Is nothing alright at home?
Aye, it's not bad, like.
I've heard you had some bither with a few of the other bairns.
There's not that much of a problem. It's not bad, there's a wee joke about.
Are you sure? Mine, as your guidance teacher, you can icon to me if you've got any problems.
I'm alright, but cheers only why.
You've been missing a fair couple of your classes lately. Are you sure everything's fine?
Aye, I'm sure.
I'm going to hate to phone your parents.
I beg you didn't. Feathers off are busy.
You need to kind, you're not applying yourself at school.
I'm sorry, Feather. I can't cope with that hassle at the school anymore. I didn't want to leave, but I keep getting in trouble, but it's not my fault. I love you, Feather, and cheers for being a broad dad, Dougie.
Oh, Dougie, later. Can I have a quick word with you in my office, please?
Aye.
Dougie. Sorry, Douglas. Is nothing alright at home?
Aye, it's not bad, like.
I've heard you had some bither with a few of the other bairns.
Aye, I'm getting bullied. It's been going on for a long while.
What is it?
It's Lily, Katie and Gwen.
We're awful sorry to hear this.
They're gonna go because I'm here.
There's a couple of things the school can do to help you out. We can provide you with free school meals, breakfast club, and even free clothes.
Aye, I'll be off at fine.
Just mind, do not put off telling me if you ever need anything else.
Aye, I'll be fine. Cheers.
Let's see if we can get these coins in. There you go. I'm awful disappointed in you, Farrer. Dougie's awful struggling at home. He's not as lucky as you, Farrer, to have fit you got.
We're only having a laugh.
Now you were taking the mick because he's poor. I came fit it's like they talk a lot of money. I should have said something.
Sorry, Jessica. I'm sorry, Dougie. We wouldn't bother you again.
I guess I'm sorry too, Dougie.
Alright, cheers.
Hey Dougie, fancy going to pictures on Saturday?
Oh, that'll be fine.